Now you will learn about the two main display types in HTML, block and inline. As you've learned from the previous chapters, HTML elements behave in different ways. Block elements start on a new line and take up the full width available. They stretch out to the left and right as far as they can. Examples of these are headings, paragraphs, tables, and div elements. Inline elements only take up as much space as necessary. Examples of these are hyperlinks, images, buttons, and span elements. Okay, let's look at a real-life example. You've learned that headings are block elements. They take up the full width available and includes a line break. The paragraph element is also a block element. But what about this hyperlink? Let's take a closer look. See? The hyperlink element is inside the paragraph and there are no line breaks in the result. That's the two main display types in HTML, block and inline.